Aslam-O-Alaikum. Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. This is your host and host Ally Hassan. So in today's video we are going to unbox my watch. I did not open this package until now, and so we will do it like together. So I hope so I will not make it hard like the last time with my AirPods. Yo. Yeah, this is the cool one. Oh, they packed it like very well. So they double it. Okay. I will not mess up now. I will see it and open it like the pro. Hope so I will. There we go. I know, I really like these. Here it is. Okay, this is the garbage. And this is the thing. Yeah, this packing is like leather packing. I did not expect that much good packing. Okay, so you wanna see the thing now? Oh, it's packed. Okay. Oh. So this is the thing. I don't know what it is. And okay. I don't know how to open this now. How to take it off, sorry. Please don't break. For the next time I will open my things first by my way, and then I will show you guys, because when I thought that I will open with you guys, I don't understand how to take out this thing. That please, it's a humble request. Okay, I don't know, there are like locks over here, if you can see. These are the locks over here, and we have to open this with the cutter or something. Wait guys, I will come back. Hey guys, I'm back. I believe I should do by another way, but okay. So I got a knife like this and like this. Oh my bad. Like this. Like this. I did it. I broke that. And now we can pull this out. Here it is. Here's my watch. And this is like instruction paper over here, maybe. Yeah, these are the instructions. Okay, you can stay here now. Yeah, you can see the papers of instructions. This is the warranty card of US Pollo Assn. Yeah, it's like this. And this is also the instruction one. Okay, so here's a cool thing. I like this one too much, you know. Okay. Here. Oh, sorry, my first time too, so this one. That's why. Yeah, you can see this. That's all. I should wear this, right? in front of you guys. I'm very bad. I can't do these type of videos, you know, the tech videos. I'm very bad in unboxing things, but I will do by my way. Okay, my new watch. I don't know. So I'm presenting everything very badly. I'm sorry for that, but this is my way. We can't do anything. So guys, that's all for today's video. Mullah Ali said, have hope only in Allah and be afraid of nothing but sins. Now do whatever you wanna do, man, but don't trouble your mother and father. Allah Hafiz. I really like this box.